When it comes to buying a vehicle, two categories often dominate the conversation: trucks and SUVs. Both types of vehicles offer distinct advantages, and each appeals to different kinds of buyers. Whether you're looking to haul heavy loads, go off-road, or simply need something with more room for the family, the choice between a truck and an SUV can feel overwhelming. But this decision doesn't have to be a guessing game. It can be a well-informed choice based on your specific needs, lifestyle, and budget. In recent years, the line between trucks and SUVs has blurred. Manufacturers have increasingly built SUVs that are rugged enough for off-road adventures, while also offering many of the utility benefits that were traditionally associated with trucks. Similarly, trucks have evolved to become more comfortable for everyday use, with better interior designs, fuel efficiency, and technology than ever before. So, the question remains, which one is the smarter buy? To help you make an informed decision, we'll examine the key aspects of both trucks and SUVs, looking at performance, versatility, safety, comfort, and cost. Each type of vehicle has its own unique set of advantages and disadvantages. By the end of this article, you'll be able to determine which one best suits your needs. Performance is the backbone of trucks versus the versatility of SUVs. When it comes to performance, trucks have long held the edge. Sturdy frame, powerful engines, and immense towing capacity make them the go-to choice for anyone who needs to haul heavy loads. Whether you're towing a boat, trailer, or a fleet of motorcycles, trucks provide the muscle to get the job done without breaking a sweat. This is especially true for models like the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, and Ram 1500, which are specifically designed for tough jobs that require raw power. Trucks are also better equipped for off-road adventures. Models like the Toyota Tacoma or Jeep Gladiator offer rugged capabilities that SUVs often can't match. Their higher ground clearance, superior suspension systems, and four-wheel drive options make them ideal for navigating rough terrain. Whether it's through rocky trails, sandy dunes, or muddy paths. However, SUVs have evolved over the years and can now offer impressive off-road capabilities as well. Brands like Land Rover, Jeep, and Toyota have introduced off-road-ready SUVs like the Land Rover Defender, Jeep Wrangler, and Toyota 4Runner, all of which are built to handle tough environments. These SUVs, while not quite on par with trucks, in terms of payload or towing capacity, are still highly capable in rugged conditions. They strike a balance between performance and practicality, offering features like all-wheel drive, low-range gearing, and lockable differentials that make them perfect for weekend warriors who want to experience off-roading without sacrificing daily driving comfort. For those who don't need to haul massive trailers or heavy construction materials, SUVs can provide more than enough power for daily tasks. With engines that range from efficient 4-cylinders to robust V8 South, SUVs offer excellent towing capacities, making them a viable option for lighter hauling tasks like pulling a camper, boat, or small trailer. Moreover, many newer SUVs are equipped with modern features like adaptive suspension systems, turbocharged engines, and trail-oriented driving modes, which enhance their off-road prowess, space, and comfort. The family friendliness factor. When it comes to space, comfort, and practicality, SUVs tend to have the upper hand. They are built with families and passengers in mind, offering spacious interiors with ample room for up to 8 passengers. The Ford Explorer, Chevrolet Traverse, and Honda Pilot are great examples of 3-row SUVs that combine generous legroom, cargo capacity, and versatility. With these vehicles, you can comfortably fit the whole family. Plus their luggage, sports gear, and even the family dog. Many SUVs also feature power-adjustable seats, heated and ventilated seats, and luxury options like leather upholstery, which make long trips much more enjoyable. Additionally, SUVs are generally quieter on the road, with more refined interiors and better insulation than trucks, providing a more comfortable ride, especially for daily commuters. While trucks can be spacious, They often don't match the level of comfort found in SUVs. A full-size truck can offer plenty of room in the cab, but the rear seating area often feels cramped compared to an SUV. Furthermore, the ride quality in a truck can be less smooth, as the suspension is designed to handle heavy loads and rugged terrain, not the smoothness of everyday driving. However, the gap is narrowing. Manufacturers have made strides in improving the interior comfort of trucks. Premium models like the Ram 1500 Limited and Ford F-150 King Ranch now come with luxurious cabins that rival those of high-end SUVs. Features like massaging seats, premium audio systems, and advanced infotainment make these trucks much more comfortable for long drives. Yet the reality remains that if comfort and ample space are top priorities, an SUV will likely win the comparison. Safety, which is the safer choice. Safety is a critical factor for many car buyers, and both trucks and SUVs are equipped with modern safety technologies, such as lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. However, the nature of these vehicles and how they perform in real-world crash scenarios can make a difference. In general, SUVs have the edge in crashworthiness. Due to their larger size and higher driving position, SUVs tend to fare better in collisions, especially in side impact accidents. Moreover, many SUVs come equipped with advanced airbag systems, rollover protection, and stability control systems that make them safer during sudden maneuvers or loss of control situations. In fact, some of the safest vehicles on the road today are SUVs. With models like the Volvo XC90, Subaru Outback, and Audi Q7 consistently earning top safety ratings, trucks, on the other hand, may not be as well suited for side impact protection. Due to their rigid frame design, while they perform admirably in front and rear-end crashes, the height difference in a truck's frame can create a disadvantage in collisions with smaller vehicles, especially in urban environments or close quarter driving is more common. However, the safety of trucks is not something to overlook. Full-size trucks, particularly the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, and Chevrolet Silverado, have undergone extensive safety testing and include features like rear-view cameras, parking sensors, and trailering assist systems that help prevent accidents. When reversing or towing, plus the higher driving position of trucks gives drivers better visibility on the road, which can be a significant safety advantage in many driving conditions. Cost of ownership, truck or SUV. When choosing between a truck and an SUV, the cost of ownership plays a huge role in determining which is the smarter buy. While the initial purchase price can vary depending on the make and model, trucks tend to be more expensive up front, especially if you're looking at a high-end trim with all the bells and whistles. On the other hand, SUVs can range from budget-friendly, compact models to luxury versions that rival any high-end vehicle in terms of price. While you might spend less on a base-level SUV, a fully loaded model can quickly reach prices on par with some of the best trucks. Available fuel efficiency is another key factor. Trucks, particularly full-size ones, are often less fuel efficient due to their larger engines and heavier weight. While hybrid and electric trucks are becoming more available, such as the Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid and the upcoming Rivian R1T, most trucks still consume more fuel than most SUVs. For instance, a standard Ford F-150 with a V8 engine might average around 20 miles per gallon. While many SUVs like the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4 can deliver around 30 mpg or more, maintenance and repair costs can also vary significantly between the two. Trucks, especially heavy-duty models, tend to have higher repair costs due to their larger parts and more complex suspension systems. SUVs, while still requiring regular maintenance, tend to have lower repair costs and fewer heavy-duty components, making them more affordable to keep running in the long term.